quiet nights, you whisper prayers, you hold me tight. Even when the world was cold outside, you gave us warmth, you were our guide.
3 little hearts you raised with love, always believing in God above.
Through every struggle, through every pain,
you smiled for us again and again.
Oh mama, you're my light in the dark. Even now, you live in my heart.
Since you left us, life's not the same. You know what I mean.
But I feel you in every prayer I say.
Guiding me gently every day.
Mama, your love will never die.
I see your face in the sky. Early mornings, you work so hard.
No rest for you.
You played your part.
With tired hands, but a faithful soul.
You gave us everything, made us whole.
You taught us kindness,
You taught us grace,
to walk with faith in every place.
even when sickness came your way.
You still believed,
You still would pray.
oh mama, you're my light in the dark. Even now, you live in my heart.
Since you left us, life's not the same. You know what I mean.
But I feel you in every prayer I say.
Guiding me gently every day.
Mama, your love will never die.
I see your face in the sky.
Sometimes I wish you were still here
To wipe away every silent tear.
but I know heaven gained an angel true.
And mama, that angel is you.
We carry your love in all we do, in every dream, in every truth.
One day again, I'll see your smile.
Just wait for me.
A little while.
Mama,
Sleep now,
no more pain.
we'll meet again.
Beyond the rain,
Forever yours,
your child will be.
till God brings you